Hello everyone and welcome to JP Creation, and in this lecture we are going to see what are flags and how to increment a value in an object. So first we will create an object, press tab in the network editor and then type box. Now the box is under object, so if we double click on the box we will dive inside the box, and now we are working in the geometry. And if we want to increase the size of this box, we can increase this by going to parameters. If you are not able to see the parameters option here, press P on the keyboard. To increment the value, we can directly slide over the indicator, or we can just click middle mouse button on the value, and when you will click middle mouse button you will see all these different types of values here. So if we drag the mouse to the right, it will increase the value, and if we do this to the left, it will decrease the value. So we can also change the value in decimals by going downwards here. Now if we change the value, it is working in decimals. So whenever it is needed, we can do by coming here. So in this way we can increase the value. Like if we want to increase the value in only X, then we can increase it by going to size. In size we can see X, Y and Z. By going to X, we can just middle mouse button and then click and drag. We can also write the value by coming here. If we want that in Y we want the value to be increment by 5, then we can directly come over here and increase it. If we want this overall body to come on the flow, then we can make the changes in the center Y, in this way. So this was the basics how we can increment the value. Now we will see using flags we can decide that we want to see the object in the viewport or not. Like we have two objects here. We'll create one more object, sphere. Press enter so that the particular node will come in the node graph. And now you can see this node has been highlighted with blue and purple circle. So I'm seeing the box in the viewport, and if I select this and then hover the cursor on this node, then we can see all these 5 options in round. So this all are called as flag. If I click on this is a render or display flag. If I click on this, I will see the circle in the viewport. If we want to see both the nodes at a time in the viewport, we can just create a merge node by pressing tab and click merge, and then press enter or click on the node graph anywhere. Now connect the box from here to merge, then click and drag from sphere to merge, and then give the render flag to the merge so that you can see both the nodes in the viewport. But now I am not able to see both the objects in the viewport because they are at the same position, because the box is bit less in size than the sphere. So we have to move or increase the size. So what we will do, change the center position in X. We have changed, but we are not able to see still because the render flag is on sphere. So we will keep the render flag on merge. Now you can see both the objects have been appeared in the viewport. If we change the center value in a X, then you can see we can keep it together. Okay, so in next lecture we will see what is template.